AgraVision PRO Watex test kits are lateral flow devices for the rapid on-site detection of mycotoxins in a variety of agricultural commodities. In this instructional video, we will cover the contents of the test kit and how to use the test together with the AgraVision Pro reader. Please keep in mind that this video is not a replacement for the package insert or other important product documentation. To ensure accurate results, please follow the package insert that came with your test kit. AgraVision Pro Watex mycotoxin test kits come complete with strips, strip cartridges, dilution buffer, extraction buffer bags, Whirl-Pak filter bags, and additional accessories. Before we start, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. AgraVision Pro Watex mycotoxin strips and dilution buffer must be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. These come packaged for refrigeration in a clearly marked bag. We recommend that you wear protective gloves when performing the test. Ready? The test works in just a few simple steps. Begin by plugging in the AgraVision Pro reader. Select the mycotoxin method via the touchscreen. The built-in incubator will automatically heat up. Weigh in 10 grams of an adequately ground representative sample into one side of a Whirl-Pak filter bag. Add 1 extraction buffer bag into the same side. Add 50 milliliters of distilled, deionized, or bottled water and close the Whirl-Pak filter bag. Vigorously shake for 2 minutes at room temperature. Open the Whirl-Pak filter bag and push the filter to the side containing the sample. Allow the sample to settle for 1 minute. Add 1,000 microliters of dilution buffer to a microcentrifuge tube. Transfer 100 microliters sample extract supernatant from the side of the filter bag opposite the sample to the microcentrifuge tube. This represents a 1:11 dilution ratio. Centrifuge the diluted sample for 30 seconds. The supernatant is ready for testing. Insert the test strip into the provided cartridge. Place the cartridge into an available reader port. You will be prompted to insert the QR card that came with your kit. This contains lot-specific information that the reader needs to carry out the test. Insert it into the designated slot, allow the reader to read it, and save it by tapping the Save icon. Once saved, this specific QR code won't need to be scanned again. The reader recognizes the data matrix code on the test strip and displays both its lot ID and the analyte. Enter the sample ID and select the matrix and quantitation range via the drop-down menu. A drop icon will appear when the reader is ready for the sample. Pipette 100 microliters of the diluted sample extract into the opening on the back of the cartridge. The reader detects the addition of the sample and automatically begins incubation. After the assay concludes, the result will automatically be displayed on the screen. The 4 ports of the reader can run simultaneously and independently from each other. This allows for testing of up to 4 different samples and analytes at the same time. Simply repeat the procedure with a new cartridge in any available slot after adding the sample. The current result can be saved to a USB drive by tapping the info icon corresponding to the relevant port, and then by tapping the Save icon. If different or more results need to be saved, tap the Results Overview icon at the bottom left of the screen. Open the selection view by tapping the icon on the top right, select the relevant measurements, and tap the Save icon. To print, follow the same procedure and select the printer icon at the end instead.